What's good, YouTube? There's your boy Zeus with another video. Today we'll be doing an oil change. So, what you have to do first, you can open the oil cap after or first. I already cracked the bolt down below. You could crack it so it run out freely. You can put back your cap right there so you don't lose it. And then we go into the car and show you guys how to open the bolt for the drain plug for the oil. So let's get into it and let me show you guys how to do it. So it's snow, so I don't have a sliding board at the moment. So I had some cardboard set up, and your drain plug is right here, and it is a 17mm socket. This is on a Honda, and the oil filter is located right here, and my pan is right there for the oil drain to drain it. And the drain plug is halfway cracked already, so you guys can see like a little drip is coming from it. I use an extendable ratchet so it could open more freely. So let me set the drain and like right here. Let's see if I want to grab the bolt. That's why I have my hand set like this. Let it focus. Let me see if I can set like a different angle. You guys can see it. It's still icy out here, so bear with me. I don't want to drop the drain plug. So yeah, that's it. Just let it sit there and drain. That's how you drain your oil. So I'll catch you guys when I'm about to take off the filter, and the filter take off by hand. So when this finished draining, I'll come back and show you guys. Yes, I was trying to take it off by hand and it wasn't coming off. So if you have one of these to open the oil filter, it will be good for you. More easier. Come on. That's it. Just install a new one right away, and then you put in the oil. That's it. I already put in back the drain plug, don't forget, and don't over tight the drain plug so you could strip the bolt. And that's it. And that's it. So stay tuned for more. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below, and turn on your post notification bell so whenever I drop a video, you're first to see it. And whoever is new on my channel, welcome. And thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys to be there for me and support. Thank you. And you have to reset your oil. So you press menu. After you press menu, go to vehicle information. Press OK. Maintenance information. Then you hit reset. Go back to 100. That's it.